86 3 upon 8 is nothing but 86 plus 3 upon 8. 45 11 upon 16 is nothing but 45 plus 11 upon 16. So what we did? We separated the whole part from fraction part. Prime numbers. A number that has only two factors, 1 and the number itself, is called a prime number. Let's see examples. 11, 19, 37, 101 are all prime numbers and they are also infinite in numbers. Hello dear channel viewers. Many of you already know that I have this course Mathematics Super Basics Easy Tricks on Udemy. Many of you have already bought it and given fantastic feedbacks as well. So thank you very much for that. There were a few suggestions that I should make a video for our channel that can walk you through my Udemy course. So in this video, I have edited few videos from my actual Udemy course and posted here that will give you an idea of how our Udemy course is going to be. The link of Udemy course is given in the description box as well as in the pinned comment. You can click that link to watch promo video, free sample videos, also detailed course structure, the cost. You can even buy in the link itself. But today I'm going to give you an idea of how the videos in the course are going to be. Divisibility test for 15. If a given number is divisible by 3 and 5, then the given number is divisible by 15. In this case, number is 0.007. So I have written it as 0.007 upon 1. When I remove this decimal point, now there are 3 places, so I need to give 3 zeros. So it will be 7 upon 1000. First, let us see divisibility test for 20. In a given number, if the number formed by last two digits is among 00, 20, 40, 60 or 80, then the given number is divisible by 20. Such an easy test, isn't it? How is a fraction formed? Fraction in a simple term is part of a whole number. Let's understand it with one example. Suppose you have this pizza with you, one whole pizza, and your mother asks you to divide it into two equal parts and share one part with your brother. So what do? You take a knife and divide the pizza in two equal parts. So how many parts are there? There are two parts. If I consider only this part, left hand side of this cut, only this part, then this is one part out of two parts, isn't it? So that we express as 1 upon 2. Which numbers are common? Which bases? 2, not common. 3, yes. 3 is there. And I want least power. 3 is there, and what is the least power? 2, 1, 1. So least power is 1. Next common base 5. 5 is here. Everywhere 5 is there. So I copy 5. Least power 1, 1, 1. So I copy 1. Only remember these two lines. While multiplying and dividing with negative numbers, when even number of negatives, give positive sign to the answer. When odd number of negatives, give negative sign to the answer. Such easy two rules. Let's understand them. Let's see few examples. Multiplication. 5 multiplied by negative 6 multiplied by negative 3. So how many negatives are there? 1 and 2. 2 negatives. And 2 is even number. So if it is even, give a positive sign. So just take a product and it should be positive. Now A is to B means A upon B. B is to C means B upon C. So if I multiply A upon B and B upon C, B will get cut, it will get eliminated, right? And we will be left with A and C. So same thing I am going to do. There are 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees and 10 rupees coins in a bag with a ratio of 4:2:3:7. Total amount is 9,300 rupees. How many coins of rupees 2 are there in the bag? There are 4 signals A, B, C, D which turn green after every 10 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes and 8 minutes respectively. They all are switched on at 9 a.m. together. What is the earliest time when they all will turn green together again? Now let's solve this problem. This problem is commonly asked in almost all competitive exams, so kind of important problem. When a shopkeeper reduced price of articles by 10%, his sales increased by 20%. What is the percentage change in the revenue? The link of Udemy course is given in the description box as well as in the pinned comment. You can click that link to watch promo video, free sample videos, also detailed course structure, the cost. You can even buy in the link itself.